Okay, this is going to be Aaron's first attempt to try to solve this really massive Rubik's Cube, the world's largest. Ready?
Yeah. I got corners with it very well.
It looks so awkward.
Okay. It's really hard to get this thing.
You have to remember the algorithms.
Maybe I'll get faster after I.
You're putting your body into it, your whole body into it.
It's really hard. Oh wait. It's hard. You gotta line it up just right.
No cutting corners. Literally.
Oh man, it's hard to see this thing.
It sounds so funny.
It's hard. Okay. I think actually I might be getting. It feels like I might be getting the hang of it.
I know, it seems like it though. You should bring this to the championship.
Yeah. People will be like, "You brought vacuum?" Yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do once I get the first 2 layers done.
Interesting.
Alright. Oh, almost there.
That's pretty good. To put your whole body into it.
Oh, I think I did the wrong one. Should have done the counterclockwise one. This is the worst time I've ever gotten on a Rubik's Cube.
Well, it's your first time attempting, so you have to have practice.
Yes,
Yeah!
170.
It's pretty impressive.
I'm gonna have to get better at that.
Smile.